boyfriend, and basically when I heard the description, I was like, this is everything I love in one package. It's a soft-boiled egg that's encased in sausage meat, then fried. What's not to like? So yeah, today I'm going to be using a few tools. I'm going to use an Instant Pot and an air fryer to really just expedite the process, though these can be made with other tools. For example, if you don't have an Instant Pot, then you can just boil the eggs normally, and if you don't have an air fryer, then you can either bake the eggs if you're looking for, you know, a more fat conscious healthy way, or you can deep fry them, which is how it's traditionally done. So the first step is to soft boil the eggs. In my Instant Pot, I have a little bit of water already prepared, and then I have my trivet. You want to fill it basically just until it meets enough water to meet the trivet. Because you're not boiling, you're going to pressure cook the eggs, so you don't need to completely cover them in water. I find 3 minutes at high pressure is the best. So I'm just going to cook 2 eggs, just so I can have enough for myself and my wife for breakfast. Alright, and so we're going to do this, as I said, 3 minutes high pressure. For today's recipe, I'm actually going to do a low carb version of the Scotch egg. So if you want it to be like a super keto meal, then I suggest using crushed up pork rinds. I actually don't have any pork rinds today, so I'm just going to use almond flour. It's Bob's super fine natural almond flour, and this one is actually 2 net carbs per 2 tablespoons, so a net per tablespoon. So I'll start with 1/4 cup. That means each Scotch egg will be 2 net carbs for the breading. This actually looks like enough, and that's 1/4 cup. And then I'm just going to season this. Now the soft-boiled egg still has a couple of minutes, and once it's done, I'm going to do a quick release on the Instant Pot. I don't want the eggs to overcook, so basically as soon as I do a quick release, I'm going to move them into a cold water bath or have that run over the eggs for a while. Today I have 2 different kinds of sausage, and I really wanted it to be authentic Scotch egg, so I went to my local British import store. It's called Myers of Keswick, and for those who live in New York, it's in the West Village. They have every British thing you need, from the sausages to pies. They have the canned goods, the sweets, everything. It's my go-to store for when my wife is missing home. Today for the sausage, I have Cumberland and Bankers. So the pressure cooker has just gone off. That means we have a quick release, and then I move this really far so it's not steaming up the cabinets, and we'll just quick release. So I have my eggs running under the tap right now, just, you know, to shock them so that they stop cooking, and then it also makes it easier to peel. So this one is a Cumberland sausage. I'm just gonna open it up, take out the sausage meat. So I'll have one cooked with Cumberland and one cooked with a Banker, and then we'll do a blind taste test and see which one is better. I'm flattening it a little, but when it comes time to actually apply the sausage, I'm going to hold it in my palm and cup it a little, and then try to curl it around the egg. Be gentle because the egg is extremely soft boiled, so you don't want to accidentally pierce it. So the eggs are peeled and the air fryer is preheating at 390 degrees. We're going to cook the Scotch eggs about 6 to 7 minutes on each side, just until the sausage is cooked, because everything else will already be cooked. So what I'm going to do is put the sausage in my hand and then kind of gently spread it out. Try to have it as evenly pressed as possible so that it evenly coats the egg. I'll use one hand to roll it in the egg wash, and then another hand to coat it in the breading. Great. And so as I mentioned, we're going to air fry these about 6-7 minutes on both sides, just until the sausage is ready. The air fryer has been preheating at 390 degrees, so I'm just going to go ahead and place these in and check back with you. And I've gone ahead and flipped the Scotch egg. And while the other side is cooking, I'm going to actually make a dipping sauce. This is a common pub appetizer, and so usually they have, various dipping sauces. If you wanted to go simple, you could just do a HP sauce, which is the brown sauce that you find on the table at most pubs. Any dipping sauce that you want to try, I think would go well with a Scotch egg. You know, it's breaded fried egg, so it has a lot of versatility. Alright, now it's time for the big reveal. We're going to see if our soft-boiled egg is still soft. I have about an 80% success rate with this, and so let's hope this one's a winner. If not, a Scotch egg is always great, no matter how boiled the egg is. But let's see how this turned out. Alright, it looks good. I've had it runnier, but this is actually going to be great. Also, as you notice from my plate, because I've already had 2/6 of the components of a full English, I decided to keep it going. I have British back bacon here, mushrooms, and some grilled tomato. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and put in any requests for any future recipes.